Hello everyone, this is MJ. Dati po akong call center agent. Yun po yung first and last job ko. 9 years po ako nagtatrabaho doon bago ko nakita yung negosyong to. Well, anyway, ako po yung taong maliit yet may mataas na pangarap. Pangarap ko pong mabigyan ng magandang buhay yung family ko, most especially si mama at saka si papa. Of course, hindi ko yan makita and makuha sa trabaho lang. Kasi iniisip ko talaga, yung trabaho, pwede lang yan makapagbigay ng daily needs mo, pero hindi talaga makapagbigay ng pangarap mo sa lalong madaling panahon. Ako marami pang oras, but my parents, they do not have enough time left. So, kailangan kong magmadali. And I am so happy that I met this company. Nung nakita ko yung Go Wide Marketing Corporation, grabe, nasabi ko talaga, this is it. Sabi ko talaga, nakita ko na talaga yung bahay ko. And I am so happy with the people I work with, especially with our CEO and President, Ma'am Dang Lorenzo, and our Vice President, Ma'am Sarah Wanico. I am so grateful with this too because alam na alam ko na talagang gusto nila akong dalhin sa gusto ko ding destination. When you do the business, importante talaga yung mga tamang taong sasamahan mo because those people, either they could lift you up or they could bring you down. So, just stay away with the negative people. The start is always the hardest. Given naman po yan. Wala naman talagang madali sa pag-uumpisa ng negosyo. However, meron ka dapat na pinanghahawakan. Yung bang makonsidered mo na bulletproof. Ako personally, I have that one. Number one na bulletproof ko dito is the determination. Ako naniniwala talaga that even an ordinary person becomes successful as long as they have the extraordinary determination to achieve that goal. That whatever it takes, ano man yung mga challenges na ma-encounter po natin, rejection man yan, init, ulan, gutom, bagyo, baha man yan, parang hindi ka mapipigilan kasi alam na alam mo na sa umpisa lang po yung mahirap. Secondly, I have that clear vision. Klaro-klaro po sa akin kung saan ako papunta. Nakikita ko yung future ko dito sa company. And I am so excited from day one up until now. Makikita nyo talaga every time I talk, I am so excited to share how great the life the company has to offer to you. Yun po yung nakita ko. The passive and residual income na habang natutulog po tayo later on, nag-i-income po tayo. Na habang nagbabakasyon ka, nag-i-income ka. Kahit hindi ka pa tumanda, meron ka nang natatanggap na pension. Yun po yung pinanghahawakan ng company at pinangako sa atin na kapag gagawin lang natin yung dapat nating gagawin, ay talagang makakamtan mo kung ano yung nararapat para sa iyo. The promise of a better life is here in our company. Just see the vision. Napakaganda po ng future natin dito. Just hold on. And lastly, na pinanghahawakan ko is the willpower not to give up. May mga time na mas madali pa pong mag-give up kaysa mag-continue. However, you always need to look back kung bakit ka nag-umpisa. Kahit wala pang naniwala sa iyo, importante na niniwala ka sa sarili mo na magiging successful ka and you are halfway there. Huwag ka lang bibitaw. Kahit anong pagsubok na maranasan mo, huwag na huwag kang bibitaw. Mananalo ka. Kapit ka lang. Be strong and never give up. And you will be the next Millionaires Club of Go Wide Marketing Corporation. Again, this is MJ, your first Millionaires Club.